today I'm going to teach my students how to feel for spinal blockages. Now, there are spinal blockages it's like if there's a joint, it should move like that, have nice movement there. When there's a spinal blockage, it becomes decreased. The movement is like that and it stops moving. When we have stress in our lives, physical, chemical and emotional stress, and our body doesn't know how to process that stress, it stores it in the spine. And we get to find that. So I teach my practitioners how to feel the spine so they can feel the neck, the cervical spine, the thoracic spine, the lumbar spine and the pelvis, and they get to learn how to feel when there's a spinal blockage there. And that's pretty cool because they're able to have any person lie there and be able to just with their hands feel exactly where there's movement in the spine and when there's a blockage. Often where that blockage is where it's really related to where our client's symptoms are. So it can be underneath the pain, the symptom, the disease and illness, because the first step will be that blockage through there. That blockage is physical, chemical and emotional stress that hasn't been processed, and my students can now feel as well where the chemical stress is and what it feels like, where the emotional stress is, what it feels like, where the physical stress is, and then they get to work with the Spinal Flow Technique. Using the Spinal Flow Technique, the body starts to release those blockages so they're not there anymore and brings in that spinal wave through there. So what I love is to teach people that some people have zero experience at all. They've never been a practitioner, they've never been a healer at all. Some people have experience and have been practitioners, but it doesn't matter. I can teach anybody how to feel for blockages. And what's really great is you don't need to rely on machine technology. Just with your hands, you'll have the skills to be able to feel exactly what's in your clients' bodies and be able to monitor it as your healing sessions continue, so you know that their body's changing, shifting and moving towards greater well-being.